State President ga BJP Meghalaya unit ba Ernest Mauri ulaang ba ka pisa ba kynnoh ngilam ha ki constituency padan ki MLA ba kertong ga NPP ki Kyrwoh kum ga jingīarap jingīarap leng ba ka fokus da ba pan pad xerox copy epek bat passbook hi kadai garam ula bu jingkeli kumno sarkar jala ga jingilam ka NPP ka ai jingīarap pisa jingīarap klam da tip shai na ei kawan kani song jingīarap da ka kynnoh kelai ki jingkentho ba prestun tensong ulaang ba kani ka pisa kadai ka simram na ki bang nongwei bat kan bu jinge ki paj ba da ka bang kan bethong ki.
It is not clear because he has clearly stated that the focus scheme it means for the farmer. They have to have the PG, mean the producer group. But I'm very surprised. I saw that here even in town, in some constituencies, the workers of the NPP, they went to the people and asked their bank account. They told that you will get the scheme from the focus. It is very contradictory. It is not clear. And the statement given by our Deputy CM, Pak Prestun Tensong, also is not clear because they have not given the clear clarification that from where this money has come. Like I have given the statement before that if you make a road, then it has clearly indicate that it will come from the MOD. Some of the road it come from the NEC, fund by the NEC, or any development scheme. So it should be like that. But related with this focus, according to our source and information, this is purely loan taken from the foreign investment, which now we are finding out. We have filing the RTI. The moment we came to know, but somehow they have taken from the foreign investment. Because you see, they have used this scheme as their party scheme, personal scheme, which if it is the government fund scheme, it has to go through the proportional. Like you see that some of the scheme, they has to go through the DC office or the block development officer. But this scheme, I don't know. They have given the statement through that basin development.
But that's also a government agency.
I think so. I don't. Maybe it is government agency. But some people, they have come and make a complaint to my office, BJP office, in the West Khasi Hill, in Nongstoin. Some of the beneficiaries list, they are the teachers in the school. They are government servant. So how can it be? So it is totally is misuse, no? They have to verify. But according to the statement given by the Agricultural Minister, he has indicated clearly that it is for the farmer. So let them keep the clarification, no? I don't know, I have not gone through that, what is the guideline there. But according to his statement, he told that this focus, it means for the farmer, for the PG, producer group. So here in Shillong too, we don't have a farmer. The basin run by the state government, and the government, they have to keep the clarification from where this money has come. Till today too, they have not given the clarification that from where they received this fund, no?
But
do you know how much loan has been taken by the state government?
We have collected the information through our source that we came to know that around 1,500 crore or something like that.
this is from World Bank or from EDB or from which?
Foreign investment. We have the paper has not come to us. We are going to find out from where they have taken.
Why should you take loan to give money to people?
That's why though. You see, if they took loan from some foreign investment, definitely in future the bank, they will catch those beneficiaries like it happened during the Congress government. They have to repay back with interest. It has already happened. So that's why I request the people generally in our state to be careful. Okay, you are happy, you have received 5,000 or 6,000, whatever the case. But in future, you have to repay back the loan with the interest. It's not free. It's not a grant. That is concern, no? They are fooling the people, no? They went from constituency to other constituency by telling the people, give your bank account. What do we mean? Why not last 3 years, last 2 years? Why in the last moment before election? I ask this question. If you want to help people, we from the BJP, we have so many yojana, zero balance bank accounts, Jan Dhan Yojana. Modi is sending to the people, those who are having those accounts. Till today, some of the people they have received 2,000 rupees, 500 every month. That is purely grant. From where it come? It come from PMO office. And this focus also, it has to be clearly stated that from where it has come. That is the big question.
But don't you think BJP is also using the same tactics, that even your Prime Minister is also resenting on this, like giving freebies?
No.
This is more like a freebies, that's what.
Yeah.
No, we are given the scheme, Yojana we are calling. It is working throughout the years. Whether election is there or without election, we are giving people. Unlike this free rice also we are giving till December. It's not that because of election. This is to help the poor people, no? Downtrodden people. It's not a question that we are having election, then we announce the scheme.